Hi, hello, and welcome. It's me Vignesh here, and this is your favorite V and Data channel. In the last couple of videos, we saw what is data scrapping and how to scrap data from a website. Today, we'll have an intro on what is machine learning, and in upcoming videos, we'll see what are the machine learning algorithms available, and we'll use machine learning algorithms to use the data which we collected. For that, let's pass on to a video. Today, we shall have an introduction on machine learning. What is machine learning? There is no correct definition or exact definition mostly given by experts. Each expert's given a different explanation on what is machine learning. Up to my knowledge, what is machine learning? I give an explanation for it. Machine learning is a concept where the machine itself learns from the data with the help of algorithms. The machine itself learns from the data which we provide to it, and with the help of algorithms it learns and predict the outcomes, or with a certain level of outcomes it will learn itself with the help of data, and it will give some output. That is a simple explanation of what is machine learning, right? It's the experience, like machine itself experiences on the data which we provide to it. It learns and it gives some output with the help of algorithms. It's simple. What is called machine learning, right? Then examples of machine learning: recommendation engines, self-driving cars, predictions, forecasting, image classifications. These are some of the examples of machine learning where machine learning is used. Recommendation engines. In the e-commerce website, right? If you buy a phone, mobile phone, with that they'll recommend us buy a case cover for it, mobile cover for it. That is a recommendation. And in some of the driving cars, there is auto parking, self-driving in the car itself. That is for self-driving cars. Predictions: what are the outcomes, or what is going to be the outcome for the data, like it's true or false, and so on. It's called a kind of predictions. And weather forecasting, and different type of forecasts is available. Weather forecasting is one of the examples of forecasting. And in image classification, right, it's also a machine learning example. Like if you provide a plant picture, it classifies it as a plant. A dog picture, it is classified as a dog. Auto recognition of the image, that is called image classification. Then types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. What is supervised learning? Like we'll give the data to the machine, we'll train it, and it keeps on learning. It learns under a supervision, like we will help it to learn. That is called supervised learning. The unsupervised learning, like we'll give the wholesome data to it, it will automatically learn by itself without any external feature. Like we won't help it to learn, we'll give the data on the full whole, it will learn by itself. Reinforcement learning, like it will learn, if there is any false, it will learn from the false and it will get trained. Learning from the false and it will get trained to get the outcome. That is called reinforcement learning, right? Then supervised learning is classified into regression and classification, right? These are the two major classifications of supervised learning, or the two major types of supervised learning: regression and classification. Then unsupervised learning, clustering and association. These are the two major subgroups of unsupervised learning. Okay. In this regression, right, supervised learning regression will predict. That is the regression part. The classification part will classify. whether it is true or false. Prediction in the sense, regression in the sense, it will predict the outcome. The classification is, it will say that it is true or false, 1 or 0 on the sense. Okay. In the unsupervised learning clustering, if there are like number groups or different types of numbers, it will cluster it accordingly as group A, group B, group C, and group D. Okay. The association learning in unsupervised learning is that it's based upon a rule. Like, if this happens, the another thing this will happen. Depends upon a rule. That is called association rule. Okay. Association learning in unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, as told for regression, right? Example for regressions are linear and polynomial. And for a classification, KNN, then logistic regression, then support vector machine. These are few of the examples for supervised learning, in supervised learning, regression, and classification. Okay. Then for unsupervised learning, in unsupervised learning, in clustering, there is k-means. Okay. And PCA, principal component analysis. Then for association, one example is a priori. Okay, a priori algorithm. These are a few examples for supervised learning, and these are examples for unsupervised learning algorithms. Okay. Today we saw an introduction on machine learning, what is machine learning, and different types of machine learning algorithms available. In the upcoming videos, we will see each algorithm one by one and we'll study on it. Until then, it's me Vignesh signing off. See you and thank you.